Okay, here we have a 1954 Jaguar XK140 Roadster. This is considered the Deluxe, and it was higher horsepower. I think it's 210, but the Deluxe had the amber fog lights, the wire wheels, dual exhaust, and just a much better looking car. This car was sold new at Thornburg Jaguar in Beverly Hills, California, and it spent most of its life in California. I acquired the car in October of 2008, and we have our own shop for my collection, so it's been very well maintained since I've owned it. It's always been a climate control, heated and air conditioned, and I haven't driven it a lot, but over those years, probably 500 or 600 miles. So I'm going to start moving around here. Last winter we had the radiator record. It started seeping. Serviced the whole cooling system. Put a new electronic voltage regulator on it, which is inside the original box, and we got it from England. I think that's a much better option than the original one. As you can see, this car has the wire wheels, but it's just a pretty straight old car. That's all I can say. I think the sun's gonna get me here. The paint's good. The interior's very nice. And this car shows 61,722 miles, and I think that's correct. I've got some floor mats in it just to there's the right front wheel. Chrome's real good. We put a new battery in it, I think last year. It's a 12-volt Optima battery. And there is a power cutoff for the battery. All the gauges work. I don't know about the clock, but everything else works. I don't think the clock works, but I don't think it would be hard to fit. The clock's inside the speedometer. The top's good. I've only had the top up maybe one time since I've owned the car. So obviously I wouldn't drive it in the rain. Very rare license plate tag with that 54 metal piece on it. water spots there. Here's the trunk. See the car cover. Driver's door. This car was gone through by a fellow in Los Angeles who's supposedly the expert on these cars in the whole country. And I've seen other cars. He went through the whole car before I bought it. Hear it running. Here's the new radiator. Four we have done. Car runs very well, always starts, really fun to drive. The reason I'm selling the car is I'm too big. I have too big of feet. I have size 14 shoes, and I can drive it fine, but it's not the most comfortable car for me. I'll get the bottom of the hood. I've always run racing fuel in it because I don't drive it a lot, so very clean car. Brake fluid. All systems are go. It's running good. It always has. Yeah, the new voltage regulator is in the original case, so you can't tell.